7.11, we get to multiply fractional weights and convert measurements. The reason we're doing this, we're converting measurements and we're multiplying fractions. Today you'll be working in pounds and ounces. So in the front of your book, in the front of your book, you'll have conversions for pounds and ounces. We know that 16 ounces equals 1 pound. You're going to be doing some conversions at the top of page 258 to find those. You're going to be seeing that when you divide a pound in half, so 16 ounces divided by 2 is 8. And that is half of a pound. When you divide that down by 2 as well, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And when you divide half by 2, it's a quarter pound. And you can even go lower. 4 divided by 2 and half is 2 ounces. When you divide that 1/4 in half, it turns into 1/8 of a pound. So you're going to be using these conversions to find the answers to the rest of the problems on 258 and 259. With this problem, it says a canary weighs 1 1/8 of a pound. How much do 4 canaries weigh? Is this more or less than 60 ounces? So I know that 1 canary weighs 1 1/8 of a pound, but I need to find the weight of 4 canaries. I'm going to take that 1 1/8 and find the conversions because I'm looking to compare it to ounces in this case. So I need to find how many ounces a canary weighs and how many ounces 4 canary weighs. So I can see I have 1 whole here. So I'm going to take that 1 whole and multiply it by 4, and 1 whole pound is 16 ounces. So 16 ounces times 4 equals 52 ounces. And the second part of this is the 1/8. So I'm going to have to do that. 1/8 of a pound is 2 ounces. So I'll do 2 times 4 for 4 canaries is 8 ounces. And when I add those two together, I get 60 ounces. So 4 canaries equals 60 ounces, the weight of them. And then I have to make that comparison to 60 ounces. Is it more or less? Well, it turns out that 60 ounces is equal to 60 ounces. Excellent. So use that conversion chart at the front of your math journal page for pounds and ounces to do number 1 on page 258. And having that, those tables will help you to solve the rest of the problems on 258 and 259. You're going to work on 258 and 259. Your math boxes today are page 260, and your homework tonight is 7.11. And as always, if you have time, if you like to, move into Khan Academy Division. Good luck. Let us know if you need anything.